Tired of juggling multiple apps just to send money to friends and family? Want a simpler way to manage your finances and share the wealth? Today, we're diving deep into PocketGuard and exploring how you can effortlessly send money to anyone, anytime, right from your budget tracking app. Imagine this: you're out with friends, enjoying a delicious meal, and the bill arrives. Instead of fumbling for cash or awkwardly splitting the check, you simply open PocketGuard and instantly send your share to the group organizer. No more awkward exchanges or long waits for bank transfers. Sounds good, right? Well, that's exactly what PocketGuard lets you do. Before we jump into the step-by-step guide, let's talk about the perks of sending money through PocketGuard. Convenience: send money directly from your budget tracking app, eliminating the need to switch between multiple apps. Speed: most transfers are processed quickly, allowing your recipients to receive funds promptly. Security: PocketGuard prioritizes security, ensuring your transactions are protected. Integration: seamlessly integrate with your existing bank accounts for easy transfers. Tracking: keep track of all your money transfers within the app, making it easier to manage your spending and monitor your cash flow. Now, let's get down to business. Here's how to send money from PocketGuard. Open the PocketGuard app and navigate to the Send Money feature. This is usually located on the main screen or within the More or Settings menu. Enter the recipient's details. You can either enter their phone number, email address, or if they are already a PocketGuard user, simply search for them within the app. Specify the amount. Enter the amount you wish to send. Choose your payment method. Select the bank account or funding source you want to use for the transfer. Add a note, optional. Include a short note to the recipient explaining the reason for the payment. Review and confirm. Double-check all the details before confirming the transfer. Track your transfer. Once the transfer is initiated, you can track its status within the app. Important notes. Fees: be aware of any potential transfer fees associated with using PocketGuard's money transfer service. Processing time: transfer times may vary depending on the recipient's bank and the chosen payment method. Eligibility: ensure that both you and the recipient are eligible to use PocketGuard's money transfer service. Here are a few tips to enhance your money sending experience with PocketGuard. Save frequent recipients: save frequently used contacts to speed up future transfers. Use templates: create templates for recurring payments, such as rent, bills, or loan repayments. Take advantage of in-app notifications: stay updated on the status of your transfers with real-time notifications. Sending money from PocketGuard offers a convenient and secure way to share funds with friends, family, and businesses. By following these simple steps, you can streamline your money transfers and simplify your financial life. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.